Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Park Assist on your Silverado. We'll cover several straightforward methods to get your system working correctly again. Whether you're seeing a simple Park Assist off message or a more persistent Service Park Assist warning, these steps can help. We'll also look at some easy troubleshooting tips for common sensor problems. Let's dive in and restore your parking confidence. First, try a quick system reset. Many Silverados have a dedicated Park Assist button, often found near the radio or center console. Press this button to toggle the system off and then back on. If that doesn't work, a full power cycle can help. Turn off your engine, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 5 minutes. Reconnect it, start your truck, and see if the system is now functioning. If the basic reset doesn't resolve the issue, let's check the fuse and sensors. Consult your owner's manual to locate the Park Assist fuse, which could be fuse number 20 or 27, depending on your model. Remove this fuse, then disconnect your negative battery terminal for a few minutes before reinstalling both. Also, ensure all Park Assist sensors on your front and rear bumpers are clean. Use a soft cloth to gently wipe away any dirt or debris. Sometimes, a Park Assist issue requires professional attention. If you consistently see a Service Park Assist message, it often indicates a diagnostic trouble code that needs to be read and cleared with specialized tools. Physical damage to sensors, wiring, or the control module itself also necessitates expert repair. Your dealership can perform a specific Park Assist code set and clear procedure to properly diagnose and fix more complex problems, ensuring your system operates safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.